Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quez to tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery password in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, hacked your Gmail password, hijacked, or you have lost your device. Due to that, you are unable to access your Gmail ID and you are trying to recover this ID and you are having this kind of the problem that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. This can be recovered by providing enough information, guys, to other Googles. Firstly, that we can answer these questions on. Second, that if your account is managed with the family link, so we have sent an email to change your password. So it will send an email to your parents to the chance if the any email ID is linked. We cannot access both because we will approach the alternative and easy way that can be recovered. So don't click on here, because if you are eligible for both options, then you can go for here. Just we will come on here without having the recovery email and recovery phone, so we can access. Just we will approach to open this Opera browser with AI, and just we will cut it from here. Unfortunately, this ID has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, guys. So he's unable to access his emails for his privacy concern. He's worried. So now he has given me ID because he doesn't have recovery email and recovery phone so that he can reset, and he forgot his Gmail. So let's approach. Just tapping on here, make the precise location off. Click here, don't allow anyway. No longer the function as intended. G browsers fans on particular. Take any smartphone, guys. Come on a default sector here and make it disables. Make it the clear 4-5 times. Then we'll back and we will cut it from here. Now see how easily this ID can be recovered. We'll get more opportunity to create the strong password, except two option also. Now we will click on notifications, make it off, then of course we will back, and yes, we will back. By mistakenly 2 times I have done, guys. Here I had to click 1 time all once. Hold it, come in app info. Notification I have already blocked, as we know that, so just we will tap on it and see notification already blocked. So permission, then permission also make it this locations. This is already precise location enabled, so make it on and just make it disable. No longer function is intended. Now one click only when we have to. One more time, 1 clicks, and then we will come on browser apps, pick these ones. We will come back and we will come on, cut it here. Now we will go to open this browser, guys. How easily this ID can be recovered, I will show you, don't worry. Now we are on here. Here just we will go for next, and when we tap on next, we will go for customize. Go for confirmations, files. Now here one browser Z will be open there. This ones. Now we will go for here. So now see here it has been opened. Now we will tap on this sign in. Tap on it. Now we will go for approach here. Simply let me this particular ID here. Just here is a comments this. Now we will go for here to next. Now that we can see here on this browser, we have an opportunity to forgot. Just we will click on here. Now we have an opportunity to particular tap on OTP. We don't have those phones, so we will go for we don't have a last password. Now we have a 2-digit phone number is showing, so we don't have this, so phone number also. Now here is having the more tips to recover this account. Second things in that use device where the sign in before without having the password we can, and third is that answer as many questions as we can. Fourth one option managed with the families. How many opportunities, guys? More option this can be also. More tips to recover the we will approach. How it is possible? Don't click on a try again, because I'm trying to recover by this Opera. So just let me have it's related to the Google, so we will have to come in Google Assistant. So tapping on setting to Google itself recover. How it is possible we will show you. Tap on especially I'm the Googles. In Google there we will come on a three dot. Here we will pick these help options. Now here one more opportunity we will have, that can't sign into your Gmail accounts. Here it is, fines. We will pick these ones, and upon of course we will go for someone else's using these accounts. Now here, yes, we will have to come on just secure this account. Let me, it's taking time, so just we will go for. Now here we will come review your account. Just let me here review your account activities. Now here find out if your account has been hacked. Here is having that, of course we will tap on it. Now here we will have option that these changes to recover these accounts. Here we can say if create a replacement Google, what if I still can't silence, then of course we have option that create and the replacement Google account. Second is avoid getting locked out of your Google accounts. Now if we see here we will have especially Google account.coms, and here is one arrow, so just let's approach by these ones, and if we tap on it, and then one page new will be opens. There we will have to pick these ones, and upon what we will do guys here, just nothing, tap on it here and see magics. Now see here directly be. Now what we will do guys here, don't click on a continue, just click on a never to, don't click on continue, otherwise would be trapped in its verify option. So just we will click on here change the password, because you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. Recovery email is not added on this particular account, but phone number is added, so we will have to remove this phone number. Yes, then of course once again we will by having the OTP on by alternative email. So alternative email firstly we will have to add there as a recovery, then by getting on that, then we will remove this, and then we will add a new recovery phone number. Right here new password, confirms a new password, go for change it. After going there, just we will go on a yes manage your accounts in Gmail, and upon here after tapping on go in a security center and add this by similar that I have the mentioned to you on a live screen. We cannot create and they strong the password on it here on this particular ID, because this ID we will have to deliver to this viewer who was very worried about this account. So this is all about on a yes screening of a special we will generate and we will deliver. So this is all about, you know, more information about this techniques in this status, then of course blindly drop the query in the comments box, and please would manage to reply or to clarify about this procedure. But this is only once used for as an education purpose, don't misuse it guys. This is all about. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you very much indeed.